Imagine this. You're at a social gathering, and suddenly you notice subtle glances, light touches, and small favors coming your way from a younger woman. What does it mean? Could she be attracted to you? Today, we're going to reveal the often unnoticed yet clear signs that a younger woman is drawn to someone like you. Why is this important? Because understanding these signals can transform your social interactions and reveal insights into human behavior that are often overlooked. We promise intriguing revelations and a surprising look at what might seem like trivial actions. Stay tuned until the end to uncover the secrets of attraction, gaining knowledge that feels almost like a hidden superpower. Don't miss out. Before we continue, if your love life could use some strategic advice, why not book a free 60-minute session with one of our coaches? Find the link in the description or pinned comment. 1. Engage in flirty banter. First up, let's talk about flirty banter. If she's engaging in playful, flirtatious conversations with you, that's a strong indicator she's interested. Younger women often use humor and teasing to show their interest. Imagine she's making cheeky comments about your outfit or playfully teasing you about your music taste. It's all about keeping the conversation light and fun. These interactions are her way of testing the waters and seeing how you respond. If she's laughing and enjoying the exchange, chances are she's into you. So, play along and keep the banter going. It's a great way to build chemistry. 2. Compliment you often. When she gives you sincere and frequent compliments, it's a clear sign she's attracted to you. These compliments might be about your appearance, achievements, or even your personality. She might say, "I love your style," or "You're really good at your job, aren't you?" It's her way of showing admiration and respect. Pay attention to how she delivers these compliments. If her eyes light up and she seems genuinely enthusiastic, it's a good sign she's smitten. These compliments are her way of building a connection and letting you know she appreciates you. 3. Be extra helpful. Going out of her way to help you with tasks or favors is another sign she's interested. Whether it's offering to help with a project, bringing you coffee, or just being there when you need a hand, she's showing that she cares. This behavior highlights her desire to be involved in your life and make things easier for you. For instance, if you're struggling with something at work and she offers her assistance, it's not just about being nice, it's about wanting to spend more time with you and show her support. Her willingness to help is a strong indicator of her affection. 4. Grooming behavior. Ever notice her adjusting her hair, clothes, or makeup when she knows you're watching? This grooming behavior is a subconscious way of signaling her interest. It's like she's saying, "I want to look my best for you." She might fiddle with her hair, straighten her outfit, or reapply lipstick when you're around. These actions are subtle, yet powerful indicators that she wants to catch your eye and make a good impression. It's all about looking her best to attract your attention and show that she values your opinion on her appearance. 5. Ask personal questions. If she's showing a deep interest in your life, asking about your background, interests, and goals, it's a good sign she's attracted to you. She's trying to get to know you on a deeper level and find common ground. Questions like, "What was your childhood like?" or "What are your dreams for the future?" indicate she's genuinely interested in who you are beyond the surface. This curiosity shows she's invested in understanding you better and wants to create a meaningful connection. It's not just small talk, it's about building a deeper bond. 6. Make physical contact. Subtle touches can speak volumes. If she's finding ways to make physical contact, like brushing your arm or shoulder, it's a clear sign of attraction. These small gestures can create a sense of intimacy and connection. She might casually touch your hand when she's laughing, or place her hand on your back as you walk. These touches are her way of bridging the physical gap and showing her interest. It's about creating a tactile connection that goes beyond words. So if you notice these touches, it's a strong indicator that she's drawn to you. 7. Bring up shared interests. When she frequently mentions topics or activities you both enjoy, she's trying to create common ground. Whether it's a shared love for a particular band, a hobby, or even a favorite book, bringing up these shared interests is her way of connecting with you. She might say, "I just heard a new song by that band we both like," or "Have you tried that new restaurant downtown?" These conversations are her way of building a rapport and finding excuses to spend more time together. It's all about creating opportunities for shared experiences and deepening your connection. 8. Wear clothes you've complimented. If she starts wearing outfits you've previously admired or complimented, she's trying to catch your eye. It's her way of saying, "I remember what you like, and I want to impress you." For example, if you mentioned that you liked her in a particular dress, and she wears it again the next time you see her, she's clearly trying to get your attention. This behavior shows that she values your opinion and wants to present herself in a way that appeals to you. It's a subtle yet powerful way of signaling her attraction. Liking what you're hearing? Hit the like button and drop a comment. And if you're curious about taking your dating skills further, our free 60-minute strategy call can help you learn to meet more women and date with confidence. Click on the link in the pinned comment to find out more. 9. Remember small details. When she recalls minor details you've mentioned in past conversations, it shows she's been paying attention and values what you say. She might remember your favorite coffee order, a story about your childhood, or even a random fact you shared. This attentiveness indicates that she's interested in you and wants to show that she listens and cares. It's her way of demonstrating that you're important to her. Remembering these details isn't just about having a good memory. It's about making you feel special and valued. 10. Show interest in your hobbies. Expressing curiosity about your interests and hobbies is a strong sign of attraction. She might ask you to teach her how to play your favorite sport, show interest in a TV show you love, or even try out a hobby you're passionate about. This behavior shows that she wants to be a part of your world and share experiences with you. For example, if you're into hiking and she suggests going on a hike together, it's her way of wanting to spend time with you and understand what you enjoy. This mutual interest can strengthen your bond and create shared memories. 11. Laugh at your jokes. If she laughs more than necessary at your jokes, even the less funny ones, it's a good sign she's into you. Laughter is a great way to build rapport and show affection. She might giggle at your dad jokes or find your quirky sense of humor endearing. This reaction isn't just about finding you funny, it's about showing that she enjoys your company and wants to make you feel good. Her laughter is a way of creating a positive and enjoyable atmosphere between you, making her feel more connected to you. 12. Make eye contact. Holding eye contact longer than usual is a strong signal of interest. It shows she's focused on you and wants to connect on a deeper level. You might catch her looking at you across the room, or notice that she maintains eye contact during conversations. This behavior can create a sense of intimacy and make you feel more connected. It's her way of saying, "I'm interested in you, and I want to get to know you better." Prolonged eye contact can be a powerful form of nonverbal communication that signals her attraction. 13. Seek your approval. Valuing your opinion and often seeking your approval on various matters is a clear sign she's interested in you. She might ask for your advice on what to wear, how to handle a situation, or even what movie to watch. This behavior shows that she respects your opinion and wants to align her choices with your preferences. It's her way of seeking your validation and showing that your thoughts matter to her. This desire for your approval is a strong indicator that she cares about what you think and values your input in her life. 14. Act interested in your day-to-day life. When she asks detailed questions about your daily routines and activities, it shows she's genuinely interested in your life. She might ask how your day was, what you had for lunch, or how your meeting went. This curiosity goes beyond polite conversation. It's about wanting to be a part of your everyday experiences. By showing interest in the mundane details of your life, she's expressing her desire to understand you better and be more involved. It's a way of building a deeper connection and showing that she cares about your well-being. 15. Create opportunities for alone time. If she's orchestrating situations where you can spend time together one-on-one, it's a clear sign she's attracted to you. She might suggest going for a walk, grabbing a coffee, or even working on a project together. These moments of alone time allow for deeper conversations and stronger connections. It's her way of creating opportunities to get to know you better without the distractions of a group setting. This desire for private time together indicates that she wants to build a more personal and intimate relationship with you. 16. Show interest in your past. When she asks about your past experiences and memories, it's a sign she wants to know you better. She might inquire about your childhood, past relationships, or significant life events. This curiosity shows that she's interested in understanding what has shaped you and made you who you are today. By learning about your past, she's trying to build a deeper connection and show that she values your history. This interest in your background is a way of saying, "I want to know all about you, not just who you are now, but who you've been." And there you have it. So what's next for you? Discover the things she instantly notices about you, or learn how to tell if she's trying to seduce you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.